Hey, it's Sam here, and this is the YUNZII C68. It's a unique 65% trimode keyboard that has a silicone case priced around $90 and is available in a panda or cat design. Here I have the coffee cat version, and this is what's included in the box. There's a YUNZII card with the keyboards and contact information, a quick start guide for the keyboard, the full user manual that's in multiple languages, a braided Type A to Type C cable, a switch and keycap puller, 2 extra switches, extra keycaps and a spare feet, a pretty cute cat mousepad, a custom hard plastic cover for the keyboard, and the keyboard itself, which is surprisingly quite heavy at 1.5 kilograms or 3.4 pounds. So the keyboard has a 65% layout with a rounded silicone case and this cute cat companion here that is removable. The whole thing is just silicone, and this is how the cat looks. On the back here, under the cat, there's the trimode toggle switch and the Type-C port in the middle. On the bottom, there is 2 silicone feet which are removable and also has a storage slot for the 2.4 GHz USB wireless dongle. The keyboard also comes with MOA profile dice-up PBT keycaps that matches the cat theme on the keyboard nicely. As you can see, the keycaps are custom printed with this cute font and cat graphics too. Besides that, the keyboard comes with YUNZII Milk linear 3-pin switches that are pre-looped from the factory, plate-mounted stabilizers that are looped as well with some silicone dampeners at the spacebar, a 5-pin hot swap south-facing PCB with per key RGB, and a steel plate for a very stable typing feel. Going back to the RGB, I think it looks great with the keycaps and there are a few effects on the board already. And if you want to customize it more, you can do it in the YUNZII software provided. Here you can set different profiles and remap all of the keys and layers on the keyboard, configure the RGB lighting effects, brightness, speed, and even choose the exact colors, add in macros or create new ones, make the RGB reactive to sound like an audio visualizer, and access other settings for the keyboard too. Okay, now moving on to the case and components inside. There isn't any screws or clips here because everything is tucked into the silicone case. And to access the parts and components inside, you need to pop it out of the silicone case. So in the case, there's the 4000 mAh battery and the daughter board in the middle, and the cutouts on the sides for the plate to slot into. There is also a few mods and sound dampening foam in between the plate and PCB to help the keyboard sound better. Anyways, that was everything about the keyboard. Now it's time for the typing sound test. Alright, here are my final thoughts on the YUNZII C68. Honestly, I think it's a really cute keyboard with a surprisingly unique design. The silicone case is definitely something new as I've never seen anything like it. The integration of the components and case is seamless as well and ties everything together nicely. The keycaps and switches are great and the overall cat theme is done tastefully in my opinion. So if you're in the market for a cute and functional trimode keyboard, you might want to check out the YUNZII C68 linked in the description below. And that does it for this video. Thanks to YUNZII for the keyboard, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.